In this video, we'll walk through the complete process for pouring and sectioning a model from an anterior impression using the Monotrac V2 Anterior Articulator. Step 1. Trimming and alignment. Trim the impression flat and parallel to the occlusal plane so it fits within the vertical dimensions of the articulator base. Mark guidelines with a Sharpie, or better yet, place a map pin at the midline of the impression to guide your forward center placement onto the base. Step 2. Pour the die side first. To avoid distortion, always pour the die side first. If you pour the opposing side first, the expansion of die stone can transfer distortion to your die side. Pour the impression, leaving a convex bead on top. Fill the base tray to the top, align the impression using your guide marks or map pin, and let it set. Next, you pour the opposing side of the impression with an even convex bead. Pour the opposing base to full, engage the hinge, and then close the articulator and let it set. Step 4. Remove and trim. Remove the impression and tear away base wall former. Trim excess stone flash with optional Monotrac trimmers. Mark or ID your models as needed. Use a jeweler's hammer to gently tap the model forward and back for an even separation from the base. Use Monotrac's optional stoner silicone release spray for easier ejection, or when models are not ejected within 24 hours. Step 5. Preheat and dehydrate your models before sectioning for about 20 minutes in a warm dehydrator. Section models while they are still warm using a handsaw, handpiece disc, lathe, or Monotrac die cutter. Immediately air blast to clear all dust from the die retention holes. The dies should reseat to the base with a slight stick. Loose dies mean there's leftover dust in the holes. If you follow these steps, you'll get fast, accurate, and simple articulation every time. If you have any questions, check the instructions or reach out.